Don't let what happened to me happen to you. Last fall, I got a place of my own, a really nice apartment. I moved in, I decorated, my family and friends visited. I even threw an apartment warming party. It was great. And I really tried to be responsible. When my landlord suggested renter's insurance, I took the information they gave me and I bought a policy. Money is always tight, so I took what I thought was the least expensive option that would still protect me. Man, was I wrong. 6 months into my rental, a fire started in my building. I got out okay with my phone and my critical stuff, but there was so much damage. Most of my belongings were ruined. My bed, my TV, my laptop, it was devastating. The cost to replace the things that were ruined was going to be at least $5,000 or $6,000. But as terrible as the fire was, at least I bought insurance. I thought my policy would cover up to $10,000 for lost personal property. I would be able to replace what I had lost. So I called the next day to make a claim, and that is when I learned that the cheap option wasn't so cheap. The insurance I bought was less expensive because I had a deductible of $1,500. That means that the first $1,500 of losses were my responsibility. I did not even have that much in my savings account. And if my losses were $5,000, I was only going to get $3,500 to replace my stuff. But it was even worse. My insurance was also less expensive because it was what they call an actual cash value policy. That meant that the insurer did not have to pay the cost of new things, the replacement cost. The insurer only had to pay what my old things were worth at the time they were destroyed. The $300 cash value of my 2-year-old laptop was not going to pay for replacement. It has been a real struggle to recover from the fire. I have a new place, but I have not been able to replace everything, and I am still using odds and ends that family and friends gave me. I wish that I knew then what I know now, that it is important not only to have renter's insurance, but to have the right renter's insurance. When I got my new apartment, I knew I had to be better informed so that I could make the smart choice, not just the inexpensive choice. So this time I decided to ask Mia, because I know that I can go to the Maryland Insurance Administration, a government agency that regulates insurance in Maryland, and get answers to my insurance questions. The Maryland Insurance Administration has information on its website that explains about renter's insurance options and how to decide what is right for you. Best of all, I can actually talk to someone at the Maryland Insurance Administration. Twice a month, the agency has an online virtual open house where I can talk to a live person about any of my insurance needs or concerns, including how to get help if I am having trouble with a claim. Don't learn your lessons the hard way, like I did. Ask the Maryland Insurance Administration before you have a problem. The agency is there for you.